Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will explain the function keys on your device. So the function keys are located at the top edge of your keyboard, and they have both primary and secondary functions to them. And the primary functions work on every PC, basically on each keyboard. So for example, the primary function for the F1 is to open up the help menu in most applications. The F5 will reload or refresh the page, or you can save games usually using this button too. The F11 puts your device on a full screen. F12 opens up the developer tools in your browser, and there are many more functions to all of these keys, but generally your laptop has a specific list of functions specified to each key separately. For example, first of all, if you want to use the secondary functions, you have to first unlock your function keys, and to do this, use a combination of FN and escape buttons together. So if you press them both at the same time, you will unlock or lock your function keys, and then you can use F1 to disable system audio or mute system audio, F2 to decrease system sound volume, F3 to increase sound volume, F4 to decrease display brightness, F5 to increase it, F6 to cast your screen to an external monitor or a projector, but it will require an additional Xiaomi software installed on your PC to work. For some reason, F7 enables voice assistant by Xiaomi. I'm not sure what it's called, but you should also have the additional software installed on your PC for this button to work. F8 is for switching external displays, switching between them, and just like these two buttons, it also requires some software to be installed. F9 should open settings, and just like the three previous buttons, it requires the software to be installed. Now F10 doesn't require any software, and it just changes the level of the backlight for your keyboard. So it can disable backlight, you can make it a little brighter, and you can make it very bright, basically. So it's for switching the backlight of your keyboard. F11 is a print screen button. F12 is to enable insert mode when you're typing. Now delete button is delete button, basically. And this one is the Xiaomi PC Manager hotkey, and it also requires the software to be installed on your PC to work. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.